our channel. Today we will discuss addition. This is our new topic. Today we will start one new topic that is addition. So here you can see I have taken here two sums. One is simple addition and here you can see it is addition with regrouping. Regrouping means carrying. Means you can say addition with regrouping. Regrouping means carrying. First see this simple addition. Here you can see 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 0, 3, 1, 4. Now we will start adding from our right. So see 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4, if we will add 3 to 4 then 5, 6, 7. So here 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. Here 8. Then 4 plus 0. 0 means nothing. So 4 only. 4 plus 0 means the number plus 0 is equal to the number itself only. And then see 3 plus 5. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8. And then 1 plus 2. 3. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, same things. So the answer came 3, 8, 4, 8, 7, 7. And this is our sum. And this is the addends. Means the numbers to be added are called the addends. These are addends. And these are sum. Means this is sum. Means the numbers to be added are addends and this answer that we means the result is called sum. Now let's see this. So this is addition with regrouping. Here simple 7 plus 1 8. Here you can see 9 plus 6. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here we can write only one digit. We can't write here two digits, like we can't write 15. So we will write only the number present in one's place and here we will carry the 1 here. Means 5 is in the one's place, so we have written here and 1 we have carried here. Now let's add this 3 plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and then add this. So it will come 8. Or you can do like this also. 3 plus 1, 4 and then 4 plus 4, 8. Or 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Same things. Now here see 8 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here also same things like here 15. So here 3 we will write here and 1 we will carry here. Now 3 plus 4 plus 1 will be 8 only. Like here 4 plus 3 plus 1 8. Then 3 plus 4 plus 1 8. And then 8 plus 1 9. So this is our sum and the numbers to be added. These are called addends. And now we have understood that if in the result that we are getting two digits, so we will write only here one digit and another digit we will carry here. Means the digit that is in the ones place that we can write here and the another digit means the digit that is in the tens place that we will carry here. So now let's take one more sum of addition with regrouping. Now I have taken one more sum here. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 plus 7, 4, 6, 4, 3, 9. Now when we will start adding, so we always start from our right only. So 9 plus 1, 10. So we can't write here 1, 0. As I told you that the digit that is in the ones place that only we can write here. So here we will carry here 1. Means it is in the tens place, that's why. Now let's add this 3 plus 7 plus 1. 3 plus 7, so 7 plus 3 if we can do, then 8, 9, 10, and then this one means 3 plus 7 plus 1, it will be 11. Here also 2 digit we can't write, so here 1 again carry. As 1 is in the 1's place and here 1 is in the 10th place. Here 1's place or 10th place. So then see 6 plus 4 plus 1. Here also 11 because 6 plus 4 will be 10. 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 1. Then 11 here also. Here also again we will carry. As in the result we are getting 2 digits. So that's why. Then here if we will count 5 plus 6, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here one more. So 12. Again we will carry here 1. As 2 is in the 1's place, 1 is in the 10's place. And we can't write here 2 digits also, that's why. So here 4 plus 4 will be 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 and then plus 9. And 2 plus 7 or 7 plus 2, if we will do like this 7 plus 2, then 8, 9, or if we will do 2 plus 7, so we can do like this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So same things. Means our answer is getting 992110. This answer we were getting. Now, so we have understood addition with regrouping. Regrouping means carrying. So for today my topics has been completed. In my next video I will discuss the properties of addition. That what are the properties of addition? There are some properties. So that I will discuss in my next video. So for today my topics has been completed. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel or touch the bell icon to get more notifications about my channel or about learning. I am ending the video. Thank you.